Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your friends list on your Facebook mobile. First thing first, launch your Facebook application, get logged into your account. Now access your profile, and then you will see a gear icon just beside the search bar. Tap on the gear icon. Here, scroll below. Under Audience and Visibility, select how people can find and contact you. And you will see this who can see your friends list under how people can find and contact you as well. Tap onto it, go ahead, set it to only me. And nobody except for you will be able to see your friends list, meaning that it is hidden from your other friends. This is how you can do the same as well. If it had helped you in any ways, go ahead, hit like button and subscribe to our channel Techmates for more daily tutorials. And if you want a guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.